Hi everyone, my name is Stacy Laura and I am a technology and innovation major. This class is the last class I need before I graduate, so I'm taking this class as an elective. So a little bit about me is I love the beach, and that is my favorite horse, Bogey, that you're seeing. He's super awesome and I loved riding him. So a little bit more about me is that I was a preschool teacher for 17 years in a Head Start program. I am now currently the director of children's services at a rec center. So some of the topics that I am interested in are immigration and refugees. I want to learn how to incorporate human rights-based approaches to my work with children and families. So throughout my 17 years and even now, there are a lot of families that are seeking childcare that they may be immigrants or refugees, and I just want to know how I can support them the best way I can and provide resources through a human rights-based approach and hopefully maybe teach others about my experiences in the future. Thanks. I look forward to meeting you all.